The African American prostate cancer disparity is a silent scourge assailing the Black community, impacting Black men from all walks of life: lawyers, deacons, musicians, professors, truckers, and vocalists. Prostate cancer impacts too many African American families and communities. With support from the My Event Sciences Forward for Health Equity Grant, Emmanuel Health Education, in association with the Virginia Commonwealth University Massey Cancer Center, is pleased to present the Petersburg premiere of the Telly Award-winning docudrama, The Black Walnut, produced in part with the support of the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation. The special presentation of The Black Walnut will be on September 25, 2021 at 1 p.m. at the Petersburg Public Library, 201 West Washington Street, Petersburg, Virginia, 23803. Come see how 6 men from different backgrounds navigating the same illness are recruited as soldiers in a war against this disarming health disparity. Admission is free. Even if you are fully vaccinated against COVID, we ask that you still wear a mask. And the first 50 men over the age of 40 get a voucher for a free PSA test. To register for this very special Petersburg premiere of The Black Walnut, search at eventbrite.com. For more information, visit the Petersburg Public Library website at www.ppls.org or call 804-628-2364.